Hey everybody, it's the Ginger Optimist, and today I'm going to show you how I make my Mexican chicken breasts. They're still on the bone, so I'm going to show you how I make them in my Instant Pot. So let's get started. I've already put salt and pepper on my chicken breast, but now I'm going to sprinkle on a little cayenne pepper, garlic powder, crushed red pepper, a light sprinkle of chili powder, and a little cumin. I've already got a couple of tablespoons of grapeseed oil heated up on saute mode in the Instant Pot. So I'm going to sear my chicken breast. And I will sprinkle these lightly on this side of the chicken breast while that side is searing. The first side sear, then I'll flip it, and when it's done searing, we'll go from there. Our chicken breasts are ready to come out and nice and seared. So I'm going to turn this off and then put it on manual for 20 minutes. It's already there. I'm going to put my little trivet down inside, and I'm going to add some chicken broth. This is organic chicken broth, low sodium. I'll fill up the little cup that comes with the Instant Pot. Put my heavy chicken breast. Put my chicken breast back inside. We're gonna let it come to pressure, cook for 20 minutes. Then we're gonna let it sit for 1 hour before we take the lid off. And that's gonna help tenderize that chicken breast. That's a tip I read on Pinterest. I believe it was at Copy Me That. Okay, so it's been a little over an hour. It's been sitting for 1 hour and 4 minutes. We're gonna open up the Instant Pot and check out this Mexican chicken breast. All right, let's give it a taste test and see how it tastes. Yum. This is shredding up really nicely, and it will be great for tacos or whatever I want to put it in a Mexican dish. So that's how I do it. Thank you so much for watching the Ginger Optimist. If you enjoyed this video, I hope you'll give me a thumbs up. And if you're not following me already, I hope you will. God bless. Bye.